Spicy mashed potato. Prior to mixing the required ingredients, first boil potatoes in a pot. When it comes to a boil, simmer for 20 minutes. Allow the potatoes to cool down for 10 minutes and chop into cubes. Now add oil to a pan. Check if the pan has reached medium heat. I test it by also adding a bit of chopped onions, and when I see them sizzle, I know the pan has reached the right temperature. Now add the chopped onions and let them fry until they reach a nice golden brown color. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add a pinch of turmeric, chili powder, and stir. Now add the potatoes and mix well. Add chili powder depending how spicy you'd like the dish to be and keep mixing. There you have it. Easy, right? Spicy mashed potato. Done.
Thanks for stopping by Apon How To. If you found this video useful, be sure to like this video and tons of DIY stuff coming up on this channel. There are tons of videos still in queue that need to be uploaded. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, this is Savio signing out and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.